Vedanthangal is one of the most important heronries in the whole of the state of Tamil Nadu and is the only heronry in northern Tamil Nadu. It is also a very important breeding ground for several species of birds which are currently under decline. The entire 5 square kilometers is important to protect because not only does it serve as a breeding ground for several species but also serves as a feeding ground for birds which are not going to breed and only are migrating from various parts of the world during the winter months.
So unlike other wilderness areas, Vedanthangal has a very special significance because it's a community conserved place. For centuries before the place was announced as a protected area, the local communities, the farmers here, protected it. Very early, they realized that bird guano, bird poop, when it fell into the water and they used it for their paddy fields, the yield they could take out from paddy was extraordinary. So they protected this region as well as various other water bodies within this place. And then the birds over a period of time found it safe to nest here and came here in thousands.
There are around 187 species of birds which have been recorded in Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary, most of which are migratory in nature. Most of the important birds such as the Asian open-bill stork, painted stork, oriental darter, spot-billed pelican are known to breed in very large numbers and are not known to breed in such large numbers anywhere else in this part of the state.
So on a good season in Vedanthangal, you will find about 75,000 pairs of open bills, painted storks, pelicans, ibises, so on, nesting here, and when they have their chicks and fly back, it's in lakhs. So earlier this year, the Tamil Nadu government proposed that 60% of the Vedanthangal sanctuary, which is the lake at the center and a 5-kilometer radius, 60% of that to be reduced for various other purposes, for commercialization of the surrounding areas. The entire region hydrologically is connected. It's a wetland system. One water body flows into the other. And birds use the whole habitat, not just the lake inside. What is to be noted here is that 3 red category industries have been illegally functioning within Vedanthangal. They've been polluting the water bodies and their adverse impacts have been recorded by the local people as well as people like us who went in and inspected the place.
A team of researchers went to Vedanthangal and we collected 3 water samples from the downstream of the industries that is located there. And we found that 4 synthetic chemicals, all these chemicals are synthetic in nature and they can never be found naturally in a location. So obviously these chemicals have come out from these industries. And what is the impact of this? Does this even matter to us? Really it matters because toluene and tetrachloroethylene, all these things are found to cause central nervous system damage. So it is also a carcinogen, and it's not just human beings here. It is also other living organisms or other life forms which is dependent on that environment is going to get affected.
இந்த தண்ணியெல்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக குடிக்கிற தண்ணி கெட்டு போச்சு. இது பக்கத்தில் பாம் ஹவுஸ் நம்ம இருக்கும் இந்த பாம் ஹவுஸ் ஃபுல்லாக உள்ள இந்த தென்னை மரம் ஃபுல்லாக அழிஞ்சு போச்சு. உள்ளே இருக்கிற தென்னை மரமே கிடையாது, எதுவுமே கிடையாது. தென்னை மரம் அழிஞ்சு போச்சு, சாத்துக்குடி மரம் உள்ள இதில் அழிஞ்சு போச்சு, எல்லாமே அழிஞ்சு போச்சு. தண்ணி உள்ளே வர தண்ணி உள்ளே கெட்டு போச்சு, குடிக்கவும் முடியல. இதுவே நம்ம ஊர் பக்கத்து ஊரில் போனீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஆண்டிகேப்பாக தான் பிறகுறாங்க. குழந்தை பிறந்தாலும் எல்லாமே ஆண்டிகேப்பாக தான் இருக்காங்க.
ஃபார்மா வந்துச்சுனாக்கா அதனுடைய வேஸ்ட் வாட்டர் மழை காலங்களில் என்ன பண்ணுறான், திறந்து விட்டுறான் ஏரி உள்ள. இன்றைக்கி புதுப்பட்டி ஏரி, மதுராந்தி ஏரி முழுக்க பாதிக்கப்பட்டுக்குதுன்னா த லேண்ட் பொல்யூஷன், வாட்டர் பொல்யூஷன், ஆல் த என்விரான்மெண்ட் பாதிக்கப்படுதுன்னா காரணம் சன்ஃபார்மா தான். அதை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணதுக்காகவும் அந்த கம்பெனி வளர்வதற்காகவுமே இந்த லிமிட்டேஷன் குறைக்கிறாங்க. நாங்கள் முழுக்க எதிர்க்கிறோம். நாங்கள் அதை ஆதரிப்பதற்கு தயாராக இல்லை.
When the denotification by the government for Vedanthangal happened, lot of public outcry happened. Vedanthangal is not just a nursery for birds. Hundreds of schools go there, college students go there from all over Tamil Nadu. It's a place where a lot of children come to, a lot of educational institutions do their modules there. So it is really a central pride to the entire state. So one very powerful part of the Save Vedanthangal movement is the art campaign which schools across Chennai participated in. They made art for Vedanthangal, saying Save Vedanthangal. and hundreds of pieces came out.
I was shocked because I've never been to that place and I've been wanting to go to the place. But then after this, I was really shocked because what if I don't see all the birds which came before, which my friends saw, but I can't. So my artwork mainly projects on the crisis which is in the future. So the main thing is, if the factories come up, they let out waste in the water bodies. So if the water bodies are polluted, the fishes will be dead and the agricultural field will not get fresh water as they used to get before.
When they look at the diagrams and art, and that they will be able to understand what I'm trying to express, and that maybe they might change their idea of denudifying, and so they might give it a thought again to conserve the nature and understand why it is very important, why it is significant to conserve the nature.
So climate change is going to be the major factor in the coming years, and the generation which is going to be worst affected by this is our generation. So because of that, we need to start protecting all the wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries and national parks we have around us. So as a large part of this movement comes Vedantangal.
அப்புறம் பிள்ளைங்களுடைய வரலாறு மறைஞ்சு போயிடும். பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு வேறு வரலாறு மறைஞ்சு போயிடும். காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு இவங்கெல்லாம் வந்து போவதற்கான ஒரு வாய்ப்பு இல்லாத போகும். எனவே அவங்க எதிர்ப்பதை நாங்கள் வரவேற்கின்றோம். அவங்க மட்டுமல்ல, ஒட்டுமொத்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு, ஸ்கூல் பிள்ளைங்க, பொதுமக்கள் எல்லோரும் சேர்ந்து லிமிட்டேஷன் குறைப்பதை நாங்கள் எதிர்ப்போம்.
And right now, it made a huge impact, and the NGT is looking into it, the court is looking into it, and the proposal by Sun Pharma to expand their product mix capacity has been denied by the government because of the public outcry which has happened around it.
I feel that to the youngsters with whom we are engaging, they are saturated and they really are willing to see some kind of change in their environment, and they are also really scared of what will happen to their future generation. So that fear has brought a lot of youngsters and mobilized that energy into a streamlined force to work against a lot of environmental degrading programs or projects. Obviously, I am not going to construct a huge wall overnight, but I will be one of the bricks which will slowly make changes.
So now I'm 15 years old. We are the next generation. We will be living in this world after this, and it's very important that we conserve whatever we have around us. We must be increasing the lifespan of whatever we have in this world, because not only me, not only this generation, we'll also hand this over to the next generation. They have to enjoy what we enjoyed. So it's important that we protect whatever we have, and we voice out this to our government.
So we are hoping that the governments in power and the future governments will start taking climate change and environmental protection seriously, and make sure that political parties include this as a part of their manifesto when they run for elections, and to make sure that political progressivism includes environmentalism.